Does your wearable tech know more about fashion than you do? The intersection of fashion and technology is not a new concept, but the depth and breadth of its influence might surprise you. In the mid-1960s, the marriage of fashion and technology began when Paco Rabanne introduced unconventional materials into his designs. He used metal and plastic, materials never before seen on the fashion runway. This sparked a revolution, opening the door for more technological integration into fashion. Fast forward to the 90s, and we see technology's influence grow stronger. Designers began to experiment with LED lights and electroluminescent wire, creating clothing that glowed and blinked. This was just the beginning. As we entered the new millennium, the fashion industry saw a surge of technological advancements that were once only imaginable in science fiction. The advent of 3D printing in the early 2000s allowed designers to create intricate, complex pieces that were previously impossible to produce. From Iris Van Herpen's stunning 3D printed dresses to Adidas's 3D printed sneakers, technology began to weave its way into every fiber of fashion. Soon after, virtual reality and augmented reality came into play. Imagine trying on an entire wardrobe without leaving your home or even changing your clothes. Virtual fitting rooms and augmented reality apps made this possible, revolutionizing the way we shop and experience fashion. The technology train didn't stop there. In the 2010s, innovations in fabric technology emerged. Designers started using sustainable materials like recycled plastic and biofabricated leather, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in fashion, while also addressing environmental concerns. Today, in 2024, technology continues to shape the fashion industry. We see AI predicting fashion trends, machine learning, personalizing online shopping experiences, and blockchain ensuring transparency and ethical practices in the supply chain. So to recap, technology's influence on fashion has evolved from the introduction of unconventional materials in the 60s to glowing clothes in the 90s, 3D printed designs in the early 2000s, virtual fitting rooms and sustainable fabrics in the 2010s, and AI, machine learning, and blockchain shaping the industry today. The intersection of fashion and technology is not just about creating new trends or making shopping easier. It's about pushing boundaries, questioning the status quo, and looking towards a future where fashion is not just about what you wear, but how it's made, where it comes from, and what it says about our society. And who knows, maybe your wearable tech does know more about fashion than you do.